Every day, this factory receives 20 tons of raw materials: calcium carbonate, sodium fluoride.
Every batch of calcium carbonate is tested on arrival. Particle size below 15 microns. Purity above 98%.
The ribbon blender mixes for 20 minutes, ensuring every gram of the 2-ton batch contains the exact same proportion of
leaf-roots. Sorbitol and glycerin, the humectants that prevent toothpaste from drying out in the tube. Heated to 40 degrees.
The vacuum mixer, 2 tons of ingredients combined under minus 0.8 bar vacuum. No air bubbles means no voids in the tube, no splattering during brushing.
(1,400 parts per million), precisely measured to within the clean.
2.9 kilograms per 2-ton batch, accurate to within 1 gram. This precision ensures every squeeze of Colgate delivers exactly the right fluoride protection.
Peppermint oil, Colgate's signature flavor. 12 kilograms per batch, the exact concentration that
Food-grade peppermint oil, steam distilled from Mentha piperita. The flow meter records every milliliter to ensure batch-to-batch flavor consistency.
The 3-roll mill, 30 tons of pressure between 3 precision rollers reduces every particle to below 10 microns.
The holding tank stores 4 hours of production paste, maintaining constant temperature and vacuum to preserve consistency and prevent air from entering.
Viscosity between 40,000 and 60,000 centipoise, thick enough to stand on the brush, smooth enough to spread on your teeth. Checked every 30 minutes.
the tube, 5 layers of aluminum and plastic laminate. The aluminum barrier prevents moisture from entering and flavor from escaping for 24 months.
The rotary filler, 24 tubes filled simultaneously, 600 tubes per minute. Each tube receives exactly.
The crimp seal load, 200 degrees for 1/10 of a second. The aluminum layers fuse permanently, and the batch code is embossed into the crimp in the same press.
Every tube weighs 150 grams plus or minus 2 grams. The Checkweighing rejects any tube outside out tolerance.
The capper screws on 300 caps per minute, torqued to exactly 2 Newton meters. Tight enough to seal, loose enough for a child to open.
The Cartoner, 1 tube per box, with a folded instruction leaflet inserted automatically. 500 boxes per minute, each one perfectly closed and glued.
Each box contains 1 tube and 1 insert type, providing usage instructions in 12 languages, fluoride concentration, and safety warnings for children. $60 cases per pallets, 2,808 tubes stacked and stretch wrapped for shipping. Each pallet weighs 500 kilograms. The warehouse holds 1 week's production. 21 million tubes organized by batch and destination.
20 pallets per container, 57,600 tubes per truck. 15 trucks dispatched every day to distribution centers across the region.
The quality lab tests every batch. Fluoride at 1,450 ppm. pH between 6.5 and 7.
1,448 parts per million, within 2 of the target. This fluoride level provides optimal cavity protection without exceeding safety limits.
RDA test, relative dent and abrasivity. A machine brushes enamel 10,000 strokes and measures the wear. Colgate scores 120, low enough to protect enamel while removing stains.
The tube machine forms 500 tubes per minute. Flat laminate sheet is rolled, sealed along the side seam,
and 5 layers: polyethylene, adhesive, aluminum foil, adhesive. The aluminum is the barrier that keeps the paste fresh and the flavor sealed for 24 months. Reverse osmosis water purified to pharmaceutical grade with less than 1 part per million dissolved solids.
He said. 6 lines, 3 million tubes, monitored from one room Breathtaking. Fill weight accurate to within 2 grams.
Clean place between batches, 80-degree water with alkaline detergent for 30 minutes, acid rinse, then purified water flush. The mixer is sterile in 6 minutes.
The toothbrush line, injection molded handles in Colgate's signature colors, produced at 500 handles per minute. One factory making both the paste and the brush.
Carton inserts 40 bristle bundles per brush head, each bundle containing 60 nylon filaments, stapled into the head at 600 brushes per minute.
Each bristle bundle is folded over a tiny brass staple and driven into the holted. The staple expands inside, locking the bristles.
The mouthwash line Brave. Purified water, antibacterial agent, fluoride, and mint were mixed for 20 minutes.
500 milliliters per bottle loads, filled by weight to within 3 milliliters. The transparent bottle lets the consumer see the product level.
Colgate whitening, the base formula plus 1% hydrogen peroxide. Added under controlled conditions because peroxide controls. Hydrogen peroxide at 5 degrees, cold to prevent premature decomposition. Mixed into the paste for exactly.
Children's Colgate, 500 ppm fluoride instead of 1,450, bubblegum flavor instead of peppermint, and bright cartoon packaging. Safety first for young brushers.
Flavor stability counting. Tubes stored for 6 months at 40 degrees are opened and tasted. The peppermint flavor must remain.
Shift change, 3 million tubes produced today. The evening team will continue with the whitening and sensitivity variants running through the night.
Nozzle calibration every 4 hours. The filling pressure is adjusted to within 1/10 of a bar, ensuring every tube receives exactly 150 grams.
The leak tester squeezes every tube with 5-bar pressure. Any tube with a pinhole leak, crimp failure, or side
5-bar pressure for 2 seconds des, equivalent to squeezing the tube flat. If the crimp holds and no paste leaks, the seal will survive any shipping or handling.
The clean room cloud. 2. HEPA filtered air, temperature control, and positive pressure. Active ingredients are weighed here.
Oil-free compressors, because any oil contamination would taint the toothpaste. The Flexo press prints 20,000 carton blanks per hour, 6-color registration accurate to within 1/10 of the...
night shift, same precision, same 3 million tubes. This factory operates 24 hours a day, producing enough Colgate for 50 million brushings per day.
Check. The stripe check. The blue gel must be centered and consistent from first squeeze to last. The dual chamber nozzle is adjusted.
The stripe secret Sakbadarbe. The nozzle has separate chambers for white and blue gel.
The cooling tower removes excess heat from injection molders, compressors, and mixers, recycling 60,000 liters of water per hour.
The stripe test fab. Paste squeezed onto glass must show distinct white and blue separation from the first squeeze. If the colors blend, the nozzle chambers need adjustment.
The packaging warehouse holds 2 weeks of materials, enough laminate for 21 million tubes, 21 million cartons, and 21 million caps.
Each laminate roll produces 15,000 tubes. The print registration sensor ensures the Colgate logo lands in exactly the same position on every tube. From laminate to box tube in 90 seconds, formed, filled, crimped, capped, boxed, and cased. A continuous flow of 3 million tubes per day.
When the crimp fails, the team responds in minutes, adjusting jaw temperature, pressure, and dwell time.
HEPA filtration, the production hall air is changed 15 times per hour. Temperature held at 22 degrees.
Every case scanned into the WMS, batch number, production date, fill line, and destination. Full traceability from raw material to retail shelf. The taste panel. 12 trained employees rate every batch for flavor intensity, sweetness balance, and cooling sensation. Human senses verifying what instruments cannot measure.
Six lines. 3 million tubes per day, 1 billion tubes per year. From calcium carbonate to
Travel tubes, 25 grams each, 6 times smaller than retail. 100,000 mini tubes per day for hotels, airlines, and hospital kits.
The sachet line Tayurlan. Single-use 10-gram portions for markets where consumers buy daily rather than monthly.
The pump dispenser, 300 grams of Colgate in a stand-up bottle with a metered pump that dispenses exactly 1.5 grams per press.
Each pump is tested before filling delivering 1.5 grams per press, consistent from first press to 200. The R&D lab, where every new Colgate product begins. 10 scientists testing 50 formulation variants.
2 megawatts of power Green Ace, distributed through 32 circuit breakers to every filler, filter, and
The water plant treats 40,000 liters per day, removing fluoride, surfactants, and abrasive particles to levels below drink.
Fluoride below 1.5 parts per million in the discharge, tested 4 times daily. Environmental compliance is as strictly monitored as product quality.
The morning clean, every vessel, every filler, every conveyor sanitized before the day shift begins.
the morning gowning, fresh white gown, hairnet, beard cover, and blue nitrile gloves. Every worker passes through the air shower before entering the production floor.
The first line starts at 7 a.m., moves mixer, 3-roll mill, filler, crimper, capper.
The first tube, tested for fill weight, stripe quality, crimp integrity, and fluoride level. If this tube passes, 3 million more will follow.
The Q3 metrics show a 5% increase in throughput.
That's encouraging, but we need to address the bottleneck in line 2. Peak production, all 6 lines at full speed, 50 tubes per second, filling, crimping, capping, boxing, 3 million tubes before midnight.
Years on the filling line wait, she can hear when the nozzle pressure changes by the sound of the paste flowing. Experience that complements the sensors.
As the sun sets, the factory keeps its rhythm. 3 million tubes by midnight. The world brushes its teeth. The night leader checks every line every hour. Fill weight, crimp temperature, rejection rate, tube count.
A.m., the factory never sleeps. While the world dreams, Colgate flows into tubes at 50 per second. By sunrise, another 3 million tubes will be ready.
Quality never sleeps. Fluoride testing every 2 hours, even at 3 a.m.
Dawn, another 3 million tubes completed overnight. The morning shift will produce 3 million more, 6 million tubes per day, 2 billion per year.
Break time, 300 workers fueling themselves for the afternoon push. By 5 p.m., the counter will pass 3 million. $2,900,000 and climbing. Every minute, another 3,500 tubes join the count.
3 million tubes of Colgate in 24 hours. From calcium carbonate, sodium fluoride, and peppermint oil to 3 million perfect tubes.
"20 trucks per day, Pavert each carrying 150,000 tubes to distribution centers. 3 million tubes heading to 80 countries. Evening clean rip. The factory floor is sanitized twice every 24 hours. Every surface that could contact the product is cleaned to pharmaceutical standards.
Another day fades, but the production never stops. 3 million tubes today, 3 million tomorrow. The world never stops brushing.
Six lines, 3 million tubes, 300 workers, calcium carbonate, fluoride, peppermint, sorbitol, mixed mill, filled, crimp, cap, boxed, every tube tested, every tube perfect.
From raw powder to branded tube in 8 hours, blended, refined, filled, crimped, capped, boxed, and shipped. 3 million times, every single day.
3 million tubes every 24 hours. 1 billion per year.
The incredible Colgate Toothpaste Factory. Thank you for watching.